talking about things growing from seed, these happen to be my red cherry tomatoes that I showed you before. As you can see, they're getting a lot taller. And over here happens to be my southern collard greens that you might see here. You might see here my my garlic, and then my spinach that's beginning to grow out. The jalapeno peppers are doing fine over here. This is Lady La Gata, your divine plant diva, just showing you some of the things that I planted from seed that are growing out here. These happen to be green onion, so that you can take a beautiful look, and take a look at my tiny cherry tomatoes. You take care, beautiful souls. Goodbye.